Welcome to English by Mind Training, the podcast where you build confidence, clarity, and real American understanding through calm, meaningful listening. Take a slow breath, relax your mind, and prepare to learn naturally. Today, we are exploring one of the most important and meaningful holidays in the United States, Christmas Day.
Christmas Day is celebrated every year on December 25th. It is both a cultural and religious holiday. For many people, it represents the birth of Jesus Christ. For others, it is a day focused on family, kindness, generosity, and connection. In the United States, Christmas is one of the most widely celebrated holidays across the entire country.
One of the most important parts of Christmas in America is preparation. People begin preparing weeks before December 25th. They decorate their homes, buy gifts, and plan gatherings. Preparation creates excitement. It builds emotional connection. It gives people something meaningful to look forward to during the winter season.
Christmas decorations play a huge role in Christmas traditions. Families decorate Christmas trees inside their homes. These trees can be real or artificial. They are decorated with lights, ornaments, ribbons, and meaningful objects. Each ornament often represents a memory, a moment, or a personal story.
Christmas lights are also very popular. People decorate houses, windows, roofs, and trees with colorful lights. These lights create warmth during the cold winter season. They also symbolize hope, joy, and positivity. When people see Christmas lights, they often feel calm and happy.
Another important tradition is giving gifts. Gift giving represents generosity and appreciation. People give gifts to family members, friends, co-workers, and loved ones. The purpose of giving gifts is not about money. It is about showing care, attention, and emotional connection.
Children in the United States grow up learning about Santa Claus. Santa Claus is a traditional Christmas character. He represents kindness and generosity. According to tradition, Santa brings gifts to children during the night before Christmas Day. This creates excitement, imagination, and emotional joy.
Families also spend time together on Christmas Day. They eat meals together, talk together, and share meaningful moments. Family connection is one of the most important values during Christmas. This day reminds people to slow down and appreciate relationships.
Food is another major part of Christmas traditions. Families prepare special meals. These meals often include turkey, ham, vegetables, bread, and desserts. Sharing food creates emotional warmth. It brings people together. It creates memories that last for years.
Christmas music is everywhere during the holiday season. People listen to Christmas songs at home, in stores, and in public places. Music creates emotional atmosphere. It helps people feel calm, joyful, and connected to the meaning of the holiday.
Many Americans also exchange Christmas cards. These cards include messages of kindness, appreciation, and positive wishes. Sending cards helps people stay connected, even when they live far away from each other.
Another important educational point is emotional reflection. Christmas is not only about celebration, it is also about thinking. People reflect on their year. They think about growth, challenges, progress, and gratitude. Reflection helps people develop emotional awareness.
Gratitude is one of the most powerful lessons of Christmas. Gratitude means appreciating what you already have. It means recognizing the value of people, experiences, and life itself. Christmas teaches people to focus on appreciation instead of stress.
Christmas also teaches generosity. Generosity means giving without expecting something in return. Many people donate money, food, or time to help others. Helping others creates emotional satisfaction and builds stronger communities.
Kindness becomes more visible during Christmas. People smile more. People help more. People communicate more. Kindness improves emotional health and strengthens human connection.
Christmas also helps people slow down mentally. Modern life is fast and stressful. Christmas creates a moment of pause. It allows people to breathe, reflect, and reset emotionally.
Another educational aspect is tradition. Traditions are repeated behaviors that create stability and emotional comfort. Christmas traditions create familiarity. They help people feel secure and connected.
Emotional connection is one of the most valuable parts of Christmas. Humans need connection. Christmas creates space for communication, appreciation, and emotional closeness.
Christmas also teaches emotional awareness. Emotional awareness means understanding your feelings. Christmas creates calm moments that help people recognize gratitude, peace, and emotional presence.
Many workplaces in the United States close or reduce activity on Christmas Day. This gives people time to rest. Rest is important for mental and physical health.
Another educational lesson is balance. Christmas reminds people that life is not only about work, life is also about relationships, health, and emotional well-being.
Christmas trees themselves also have symbolic meaning. The evergreen tree represents life and continuity. It stays green even during winter. This represents strength, resilience, and hope.
Lights on the tree represent positivity. Even in darkness, light exists. This is a powerful emotional and psychological message.
Christmas also teaches patience. People wait for Christmas Day. Waiting builds appreciation. Appreciation increases emotional satisfaction.
Children learn emotional lessons through Christmas. They learn sharing, gratitude, patience, and kindness. These lessons help develop strong character.
Adults also learn important lessons. They learn to slow down, appreciate life, and focus on meaningful priorities.
Christmas also brings communities together. Public places display decorations. People attend events. Communities share emotional experiences.
Emotional safety increases during holidays. People feel more connected and supported. Support improves mental health.
Christmas also encourages forgiveness. People let go of negative emotions. They focus on peace and positivity.
Forgiveness improves emotional well-being. It reduces stress and increases mental calmness.
Christmas Day itself is usually calm and peaceful. People wake up slowly, they spend time with family, they open gifts, they eat meals, they talk and relax.
Relaxation is important. Relaxation restores emotional and mental energy.
Christmas also creates lifelong memories. Memories strengthen emotional identity and personal meaning.
Positive memories improve long-term emotional health.
Christmas teaches appreciation for simple moments.
Simple moments often create the strongest emotional impact.
Christmas reminds people to be present.
Presence improves emotional awareness.
Christmas teaches emotional balance.
Emotional balance improves overall well-being.
Christmas creates emotional warmth.
Emotional warmth improves relationships.
Christmas encourages emotional growth.
Emotional growth improves life quality.
Christmas builds emotional strength.
Emotional strength improves resilience.
Christmas teaches emotional intelligence.
Emotional intelligence improves communication.
Christmas supports emotional peace.
Emotional peace improves mental clarity.
Christmas creates emotional connection.
Emotional connection improves human experience.
Christmas builds emotional stability.
Emotional stability improves confidence.
Christmas encourages emotional reflection.
Reflection improves personal development.
Christmas teaches emotional awareness.
Awareness improves decision-making.
Christmas strengthens emotional identity.
Identity improves self-understanding.
Christmas creates emotional meaning.
Meaning improves life satisfaction.
Christmas reminds people that life is not only about achievement.
Life is also about connection, appreciation, and presence.
Christmas helps people reset emotionally.
Emotional reset improves future performance.
Christmas supports mental recovery.
Recovery improves long-term health.
Christmas encourages positive thinking.
Positive thinking improves emotional outcomes.
Christmas creates hope.
Hope improves motivation.
Christmas builds appreciation.
Appreciation improves happiness.
Christmas strengthens relationships.
Strong relationships improve life quality.
Christmas teaches valuable emotional lessons.
These lessons remain long after the holiday ends.
Christmas is not only a day.
It is an emotional and educational experience.
It teaches people how to live with awareness.
It teaches people how to appreciate life.
It teaches people how to connect with others.
It teaches people how to slow down.
It teaches people how to live meaningfully.
Christmas Day represents peace, connection, gratitude, and emotional awareness.
And when you understand Christmas, you understand an important part of American culture.
Thank you for listening to English by Mind Training.
Keep learning calmly.
Keep growing naturally.
And remember, learning English is not only about words.
It is about understanding people, culture, and emotional meaning.
See you in the next episode.
Stay calm, stay present, and keep training your mind.